I'm Gary Nitzkin. I'm an attorney with Credit Repair Lawyers of America. We're the muscle for credit repair companies around the country. When you can't get something off the credit report the nice way, we do it with litigation. The Fair Credit Reporting Act is a fairly long and mildly complicated statute. It's the bread and butter of the law that you need to know to run a credit repair company. This statute regulates users of credit reports, the credit bureaus, and furnishers of credit information. On this website, I identified the participants that are regulated by the Fair Credit Reporting Act and how they're regulated. You need to know this. It will be on the final, as they say. My law firm litigates issues under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So when you can't get something taken off the credit report, we do it with a lawsuit. But we only get involved when there are errors and mistakes. Hence, if something is on the credit report legitimately, unless it's making the report appear inaccurate, we don't get involved. We do credit repair for identity theft issues and mismerge, just to name a few. Mismerge is when credit information of two people with a similar name gets mixed up. This almost always happens when juniors and seniors live in the same household. Anyways, if you have any questions under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or whether your client has a case, call or email me. My staff and I are happy to answer your questions for free. We're the muscle in the credit repair industry. Use us. Thank you.